We're topping out in the high 90s. And then on Sunday, more sunshine, 96. A chance for some showers and storms Sunday evening as the cold front moves in. And on Monday, from a chance for rain with a high of 71. Tuesday, highs in the upper 60s. And lows will be in the 40s. And then another warm-up late next week.
Automatic weekly test of the emergency alert system. Please stand by. The preceding set of tones were an automated weekly test of the emergency alert system on WDFA. This test is conducted every Saturday at 12 p.m. in coordination with the Olive Branch Weekly Siren Test. WDFA serves the Memphis metropolitan area, as well as the entire United States via IPAWS Common Alert Protocol and other portions of the United States via the Internet Alert Relay Network. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. We now return to regular programming.